explain working of negative phase sequence relay for broken conductor detector. So earlier we have seen the functioning of the negative phase sequence relay. The similar arrangement is shown for the three-phase broken conductor detection scheme for the transmission line or for the distribution cable. So a negative phase sequence relay operates on the principle of the negative phase sequence current I2 in the three-phase balance system. Now in a balance system, that is in a three-phase, the currents are equal in the magnitude and displaced by 120 degrees, producing only the positive sequence component. Impedance is shown in the figure, namely this Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. So here this Z1 and Z3 are purely resistive type, while Z2 and Z4 along with an extra inductance connected in series and a combination make the circuit as reactive. The arrangement is such that because of the presence of extra inductance in these branches, the current of branches Z2 and Z4, that is these two currents Z2 and Z4, lag behind the currents of Z1 and Z3 by 60 degrees. Relay of the single pole having the inverse nature characteristic is connected across B and D. So this is the relay's energizing coil with which the relay operates, and the bridge here it is connected with the AC supply. It works as the detector. There is a filter circuit which responds to the negative phase sequence component. The filter circuit is of resistance reactance bridge in which the magnitude of each branch is kept equal to maintain the balance condition. The setting of this relay is kept minimal, as even the very small value of the unbalanced current can cause the great damage. The bridge is excited here. This bridge is excited with the help of current transformers, CTs. Current transformers measures the three-phase currents, that is IR, IY and IB respectively. Now when a conductor breaks or one of the phase opens up, the system becomes unbalanced. This unbalance produces the negative sequence current I2 in the system. The negative sequence relay detects this current and initiates a trip signal to the circuit breaker. Now when one phase conductor breaks, current in that phase becomes zero or very small. The other phases continue carrying the current. This causes the unbalanced current distribution. The unbalance generates the negative sequence component, which are detected by this relay, this coil. Hence, the relay will issue a trip signal when the value of the current exceeds the preset value. The adverse effect of this negative sequence relay or the current is that it produces the high amount of heating compared to the normal current flowing of the same magnitude, and that causes the overheating of the winding and damages the insulation of machine as well as the other components as well. So this is the functioning of the negative phase sequence relay for broken conductor detection.